My dear friend, we are telling you about the Jewish persecution, the persecution of the Jews by the Islam. So today we will discuss about the torture of the Jew in Kurdistan. That is the part of the area, Iraq. Where is the Kurdistan? Jews were lived in Kurdistan, now in Iraq, Egypt, Syria, and for long before the final migration in 1951 to 1952 Israel, the Jews lived under the Ottoman Empire. That Ottoman word comes from the Usman, the third caliph of the Islam, and Usman converted as in Turkish language Uthman, and then in a Roman language, a Semitic language, that is the Ottoman. Ottoman Empire and the Persian Empire for many years. They lived mainly in Iraq, Iran, and Turkey. Some lived in Syria. Many Jews were lived in the Accra, Dohuk, Arabil, Jakhoa, Sulemania, Ahmadiyya in other Kurdistan. But these all Jews were either killed or fled. Rest converted into Islam forcibly. Persia, the torture of the Jews in the Persia. In 6065, all Jews were expelled from the Isfahan, where the Nurjan or the Merunisa, the wife of the Jahangir, was belonging. Means birthplace of the Nurjan was the Isfahan in Iran, and forced to convert to Islam because of a common belief. They are impure. This is only psychological way to convert them into Islam. And second reason was that the Muslims want to increase their numbers, but many Jews were practicing Judaism in a secret manner. But when Muslims knew this, they allowed to the Jew revert to the Judaism only to take zakat tax from the Kafirs to increase the income of the treasury. Though interest on money in Islam is prohibited, but jizya is also money looting practice of the Islam. This jizya is the more cruel to money interest. Jews were compelled to clothe restriction as a symbol of patches on their clothing. In 1839, in the city of Mashhad, you now that city where the many mosques were burned down by my Irani people. I applaud the Irani people that they are destroying the Islamic Gunism, the Gunism of the Muhammad. Recent days, a mob explosion in Jewish quarter burned the synagogue and destroyed the Torah and other book of religion. Jews were badly tortured, killed, some fled, rest converted into Islam forcibly. Second massacre was in 1867 in the Bar Furis. 1839, the Allahabad incident, the Jews of Masad, Iran, not known as Masadi, Jews were converted to Islam. There is another Allahabad in Iran, not this Allahabad of India. In the Middle Ages of the 19th century, J.J. Benjamin wrote of Persian Jews, they are obliged to live in a separate part of the town, for they are considered as unclear creatures. They were treated as with the severity, and should they enter a street inhabited by the Muslims, they are pelted by boys and mobs with stones and dirt for the same reason. They are prohibited to go out in rain because it was assumed that their dirt would wash, which would sully the feet of the Muslims. Muslims spite it on their faces in the street, sometimes beat them. Jews cannot touch any commodity, food stuff in shopping complex shops. If a Jew shows himself in the street during the 3 days of the Qatal Muharram, he is sure to be murdered. Persecution in Bukhara. A number of Persian Jews have split off since ancient times. These Jews now recognize Bukhara. Jews and mountain Jews confined to city quarters. The Bukhara Jews were denied basic rights and forced to convert to Islam. They had to wear black and yellow dresses to distinguish themselves from the Muslims. Zaidi Yaman persecution. Under the Zaidi rule, with forced them eventual exile later became known as exile of Mawza. They were considered impure and forbidden to touch Muslims and their food. They had to humble themselves towards Muslims to walk left and greet them first. Jews could not build houses higher than Muslims on road on camels and the horses. They could rode only on mule or the donkey. In a Muslim quarters, Jews could get entry after bowing the hands and barefooted only. If Muslim attacked on Jews, he was not allowed to deny himself. In such a way, they were compelled to flee or converted into Islam. Persecution by Arabs. By 1970, vast majority of Jews had left or fled by forcibly had been expelled from the Arab countries, and Muslim majority countries moving to Israel, which was established in 1948 in Western Asia. The reason of leaving of the Arab countries was the torture and forces to them convert in Islam. In 1949, 9 lakhs Jews were rendering in Arab Peninsula. Today, very few population is in Arab countries as Libya. The largest Jewish community is living in Turkey and Iran. The 2000 Jews were rendering in Morocco and Tunis, almost 1000 only in numbers, but everywhere Jews were persecuted without any sincere cause at the cost of their lives. Wealth and molestation of the women by the Muslims. Imperial Iran and the Islamic country. Judaism is the second oldest cult still existing in Iran after Zoroastrianism, but only in nearest five figures, mostly in Tehran and Hamadan. After Islamic Revolution, mostly Jews fled to Israel and the United States of America. Jewish persecution by Christians and the non-Muslims. Persecution of the Jews had been a major part of the Jewish history, and the main persecuted community along with Zoroastrians, Parsi Brethren, and the Hindus. Persecution by Seleucids. Under this empire, the process of Hellenicized forcibly mixed the Jewish culture with Greek culture in 167 Kafal Masih or before Christ. Jewish sacrifice was forbidden, Sabbath and feet were not allowed, and circumcision was outward. Altar to Greek gods were set up, and animal sacrifice was banned. Persecution in Roman Empire. This period was very better to the Jews. The study of Torah and circumcision were interdicted and seemed Roman King Hadrian direct to annihilate the Jewish people. His anger was against all Jews of his empire. He imposed a poll tax, which was a very regressive tax, was lifted by Antoninus Pius, the another Roman king. Persecution by the Christian, anti-Semitism. In the Middle Age of the Europe, Catholic dogma put pressure on Jews, become the Christians were against the Jews. Due to the crucifixion of the Jesus, and this change led to hatred, violence against Jews due to killing of Jews. This is very amazing fact. When Jesus was crucified for wave of the sin of all human, then why the Christians were killing the Jews? Because these killings automatically proves that Jesus was not sacrificed, crucified for forgiveness for all people of this world. So this claim of the Christian, the crucifixion of Jesus was for all mankind. If this was is true, that Jesus cannot be persecuted by Christians. So Jesus was crucified for our sin is totally false. In dilemma, and it is only dogmatic behavior of paranoid Christians. In the middle era of the Europe, there were most killing of the Jews in many places with bloodbath, expulsion, forced conversion and massacres. Jews were the most hated people in the Europe. They were frequently massacred with family in many European countries. In the First Crusade, 1096, the flourishing community of the Rhine and the Danube were destroyed. The prime example in the Second Crusade, 11,047, that is the Rhinelid massacre. This is known as the persecution of Jews. In 196 of the Gerotetonano were the series of the massacres of the Jews by the perpetrated by mobs of the German Christians of the people of Crusade in 4056, as his Jewish calendar means Judaism too much older than Christianity and Islam. Series of massacre of turned as Holocaust. The prominent king whose laughter The Jews with the merciless manner, including Peter the Hermit. Peter the Hermit, 1059 born, 50 born, death is not known, was a priest of the Amiens, a city in France, and a key figure during the First Crusade, that is 1147. The Jews in France killed mercilessly. Jews were killed in the Shepherd Crusade of 12,051 and 13,020. These all crusades were the culmination of the forcibly expelled from France. And in 1421, many Jews were expelled from Australia. In 1290, Anno Domini, in 1396, 1 lakh Jews were expelled from France. In 1421, many Jews fled to Poland. Black Death, also known as the pestilence, the great mortality or the plague, between 1346 to 1363, epidemic devastated Europe in the midst of the 4th century annihilation. More than 50% population Jews were taken as scapegoats, means sacrifice. One steed, one goat means sacrifice of the Jew instead of a lamb. As per Bible 60, story of the two brothers, story of the lamb sacrifice. One, and so God taken lamb, and other the food grain as the sacrifice, but do not expect food grain. It means God of Bible is very cruel, who allowed the killing of innocent animals in the name of the sacrifice. So Romans were spreading that they caused of this disease by poisoning the well. Thousands of the Jews were persecuted, although Pope Clement VI tried to protect them by a papal bull. This is a type of public decree patent letter issued by the Pope of the Catholic Church on 6 July 1348. With another following letter in 1398, 900 Jews were burnt alive in Strasbourg, where the plague had not yet affected the city. Jewish persecution increased with negative economic growth because Jews were expert in business. In 16 to 1609, the Jews were simply fewer to persecute by the 7th century. The Papal State, Italian Peninsula, which existed until 1870, Jews were required to live only in a specific neighborhood called ghettos, an area where numbers of the minority groups live, especially as a result of social, legal, or economic pressure, or an impoverished area of the minority. After 1844, Jews were forced to convert into Islam. Only Jews were taxed to support boarding school for Jewish convert to Christianity. It was illegal to convert from Christianity to Judaism. Sometimes Jews were forcibly converted in Christianity and baptized. In many cases, Jews were separated from their families. A boy, Edgardo Mortara, was forcibly separated from his family at the age of 6, and he was ill-baptized. And when his parents came to know this, they met Edgardo Mortara, but he refused to go with his parents and later became a priest. So we can say what type the persecution of Jews was committed by the Christians and the Muslim both. Only the Hindus never persecuted any community at all. Even the Buddhists were never persecuted by the Hindus, because this is the uniformity in the diversity, and Sanatan Vedism always respect the non-Hindus or non-Sanatani, except those treacherous priestly class, which were not all the Brahmins, but the some treacherous priestly class of the Sanatan Vedic Karam, known as the Brahmana, had committed so many crimes in the history of the Sanatan Vedic Karma. This is why so many people are going to be converted in the Buddhism and other cult due to the treacherousness of this Brahmanism, which was imposed by so-called priestly class for their vested interest. Though many Brahmins also disclose this treacherous cause of such type of the Brahmins, which were the greedy and are devastating our Sanatana Vedic culture. So this opposed by the Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati. So Arya Samaj is the best for the Sanatani culture because it totally depends on the Vedas, not on the blind faith and the Pakhand which were created by these so-called greedy priestly class known as the Brahman today. Thank you very much.